Welcome to DIY Man. Today we're going to have a little bit of fun. I'm going to try making cabinet doors using a CNC plasma cutter. So here I am, working on important projects, eating the last of my coffee grinds. Or maybe these are wood shavings, I'm not sure. And I got this really big itch to piddle. Anyways, I've been building a lot of cabinet doors, and George over here has been sitting around collecting dust, so I've been wondering, could I use a plasma cutter to cut out cabinet doors? Do we dare? Let's cut out the rails and stiles real quick. Corona can't get you for breathing in wood shavings all the time. My professional woodworking friends might hate me for saying this, but when you're first getting started making cabinet doors, you can use pocket holes to make those. It's a really simple way to do it, and today we're gonna do this using the pocket holes just because this is a beta test and I wanna make it as simple as possible to see if this is gonna work. I won't make you watch me drill all these holes, but I did put 2 on each side of those rails. Let's snap these in here real quick. Now I'm kind of at a quandary. Should I do 1 or, oh, it's tight. I can't hardly get it in there. Or should I do number 2? Which one's better, 1 or 2? Sorry guys, that joke would have been better in 2020. I'll try doing it with this little extra piece in the center here. Does anyone know, would this also be considered a rail? Hey, you want a free tip on how to save electricity when you're sanding? Sorry, that's a bad joke. I don't actually do that. Okay, these look pretty cool. Hey, if you're making your own cabinet doors based on these designs here, you can just nail your panel to the back here. It's a really simple way to do it. A lot of times I'll cut a groove in here and then put it in there before I assemble it. That's an easy way to do it too. But I recommend just nailing the panel to the back. It's a real simple way. As you can see, our doors are ready to be stained, and today we're going to do this the easy way. One of these days, I'm going to teach you my secrets. Hey, I think it's time to put George to work. Here's some of the contestants for our door design. I've got a deer design here, a cow, a bear, and Bigfoot. I personally like the Bigfoot design, but I guess we'll try the deer. This little rectangle here, this is the size of the opening I have, so I want to make sure this fits in here. I'll just delete these other guys, and then we'll put this on a piece of metal we can work with. This bigger rectangle is the size of the actual panel I want. I'm just trying to make it overlap plenty so I can attach it with some screws, and I want to cover up those pocket holes too. Now we'll just delete this stuff we don't need. One of the biggest challenges with CNC stuff is first making it on the CAD software, and then actually it can be kind of a pain to convert it into something that the CNC machine will read. It can be kind of a steep learning curve, especially for someone like me.
Let's clean these up a little bit, then paint them. This is probably the worst part of this project. I could have let the plasma cutter cut these holes out, but it really doesn't do a very good job cutting small holes.
Well, after just a little bit of work, these things are ready to be painted.
You even got some little bonuses here. I'll put a little paint on these now. These hinges are really nice. They're really cheap and they don't take any special tools to install. Once we've installed our cabinet doors, these things are finished. What did you think of this project today? Was this a good idea or a bad idea? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to click like and subscribe for more great DIY videos. We'll see you next time.